How to get color changing dynamic wallpaper in iPhone iOS 18. Let's get started. First up, head towards your lock screen. For that, swipe down from the left corner of your screen. Press and hold on anywhere in the screen. Now swipe right and then click on this plus option. With that, you'll be directed to add new wallpaper page. Now here you're gonna find tons of wallpaper options. Head over to the wallpaper iOS 18. Click on it. Now you can swipe to the right. You're gonna find different color options. If you swipe to the left, you'll see the option of dynamic. After you set the wallpaper to the dynamic, you can see that color is gently and beautifully fading between different variations of the wallpaper. This works in both light and dark mode on your lock screen and your home screen. Of course, it won't change this quickly in your real life. It changes over the course of 24 hours. It means every time you look at a device, your wallpaper is slightly different, and that's really quite pleasing. So this way you can easily get color changing dynamic wallpaper in iPhone iOS 18. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.